What's going on, you guys? Mr. Dippledork here. I apologize I hadn't uploaded in a few days. But here we have my old Magnavox amplifier. Here I have, in front of the camera, I have like 2 hammers. And in my pocket, I have a couple of eggs that are really dirty for some reason. So, we're just going to go ahead and take care of this amplifier. I'm going to just do a drop test with this egg and drop it right on top. 3, 2, 1. And then I'm just going to throw this one at the front. And that went everywhere. Oh my god. I already popped the ring off here. Well. Oh, I got the yolk in my mouth. Volume switch. 4. Yeah, go mouse fail. Yeah, go. Oh, touched the yolks. Forgot about it. There's the inside. Yeah. That, folks, is how you destroy an amplifier. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more.